Good evening, YouTube. This is Marcos once again in Financial Freedom Investing in Stocks. Today we're going to look at my M1 Finance portfolio. This portfolio, I do not exchange stocks in it. I do not buy and sell. I just deposit money and M1 Finance does the rest, which they buy fractional shares. I currently have three different portfolios where some of them have one or two different stocks, but most of them might have the same dividend or growth stocks like Tesla. Each of my portfolios contains Tesla. They contain also Apple, and they might contain Disney also, which I think they are good growth companies for long term. They're good solid companies. So currently we're looking at my main portfolio here. I have currently invested $1,499.83. Okay, but I'm up $283.02, which is 28.75%. And this account, I started it, I think it was back in October, says here, October 19th, 2020. This is when I started it, and I just deposited, I think it's $1,238, maybe. That's why I deposited. Now I've been getting dividends little by little. It's not a lot of money, but I get something is in my activities. In this month, I got dividends right here. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times I got dividend in this month just in May from different companies. I have some companies that pay monthly dividends like Shaw Communications, Gladstone Investments, Gladstone's Commercial, which is I got Reality Income, Pampana Pipeline, and Main Street Capital, AGNC. These are basically monthly paying dividend stocks, all of them. If I'm not mistaken, maybe there's one maybe that doesn't pay monthly. I think it's this one. I'm not 100% sure. And I got also dividends from companies that pay every quarter, every 3 quarters, every quarter, sorry, which is every 3 months, which is Procter and Gamble here. I got also Apple. I got Verizon Communications, AT&T. But currently AT&T did some business. They lowered the dividend, if I'm not mistaken. So a lot of people pulled out of them. I'm not pulling out of AT&T because that's currently my mobile service provider. So I use them a lot, and I've used them for years. Plus, I think they have a good future with that HBO Max they have currently going. And they got some other projects. I think they got together with I think it was Discovery. I don't know what's that really much about. I haven't done much research about that. But I'm keeping AT&T in my portfolios. I'm not just gonna leave them out because they are still paying some dividend. And JP Morgan Chase. Well, I'm sorry, this one was back in April, so that one doesn't really count. But so I got a mix of, like I said, monthly paying dividends and quarterly paying dividends. This is my holdings. These are some of the accounts I have. I have also some ETFs. I got BlackRock. I got Charles Schwab U.S. dividends. They pay every 3 months. Like I said, I got Tesla. It's a good growth stocks. It's currently, I just do fractional shares. That's what AM1 does. That's the beauty of it. You could pick a couple of stocks and ETFs, and you could just deposit maybe $25 a week, or maybe $25 every 2 weeks whenever you get paid. You don't have to deposit a lot of money. You just do small deposits, and M1 Finance will do the rest for you. You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to say, oh, I'm going to put a little bit here, put a little bit there, or none of that. You just make the deposit like $25, and M1 Finance will divide that into certain stocks, depending what stock they choose. Basically the stocks. You don't have you don't put, oh, I'm gonna pick this one, I'm gonna pick that one, I'm gonna put some here. No, they do it all by themselves. You don't have to worry about it. You just set it up, pick your stocks or your ETFs. And if you don't know how to pick stocks or ETFs when you're starting up, there's an option that you can just get kind of like preloaded portfolios from experts for depending what you want it for, what what you want your portfolio for, long term, short term, just growth, like that. So you can just pick one directly from them that's preloaded, and they'll do the rest for you. Okay. I pick my own stocks basically. I'm not a professional here or a financial advisor. You know, I'm just learning. I jumped into the stock market back in March. Okay, this is when I first started. I in Robinhood. That's where I started, and I've been losing a lot of money in Robinhood. Obviously, I didn't know what I was doing, so I was buying high and selling low. Okay, guys. But this account, once I opened M1 Finance, I haven't touched it. You know, I picked some stocks and I just make small deposits. Okay. I got Apple's and other growth stocks. Pepsico. Some people don't know that Pepsico also owns Frito-Lay. It's not just a soda product like Pepsi. Okay. They owe Frito-Lay, they owe water products, they owe a couple of other food products. So PepsiCo is a good company to have. They also pay dividend. Okay, I got Anheuser-Busch beer company, Waste Management, which I think is never gonna go nowhere because there's always trash that's gonna have to be collected. I got Dropbox, which is a company that's growing little by little. Walgreens, which is another good company. I think that's not going nowhere. Okay, they have pharmacy. You know, they have late night products if you need anything, just like Walmart. A lot of times, I don't know if there's only some locations still open, maybe 24 hours, not all locations like before. You know, they had a lot of locations. But I don't think Walgreens is going nowhere. I got 3M here. I got Wayne's Resort, which they should have a bump now over this summer. I got Vanguard Total Stock Market, also ETF here. I got Johnson & Johnson, which is a Richter-Craft dividend-paying company, which they've been paying dividends for like 50 plus years, and they haven't lowered the dividend. It's been going up little by little, but they pay every 3 months. I got Walmart. I got Procter & Gamble. I got Qualcomm. Right here's my Disney. I like Disney. Verizon Communications. Okay, this is some of the stocks I have in this main portfolio. This is my first portfolio I did open. And in this portfolio, just in this month alone, with this amount of money, I made a total of $2.99 in dividends. Yes, it's not a lot. I understand that. But you tell me which bank, if you deposit $1,500 in which bank they're going to pay you $3 in interest in 1 month, okay? Put it down there in the comments. If you know a bank that's going to pay you $3 in interest on $1,500 you have deposited monthly, okay? My other portfolio here, I have, this is an 83 stock with 4 ETF portfolio. So I have a lot more stocks picked in this one. This is a newer one. I started in December 7th, 2020. I have $1,197.69 currently. I'm up $70, which is 11%, okay? This one's a little bigger. Activity also here, as we can see, May. It's not giving me more. I have to go back to another page. But from the 14th, as you can see, all the dividends I've received. This is trading. This is that they bought some stock for me. This is in the morning trading. Also, they bought 3 buys. That means they put some money into 3 more stocks. You know, like I said, they do. You know, they do the investing automatically. Right here's dividend. Right here, I made a deposit on May 20th of $100. And what they did here, you see the following day trading, morning trading, 64 buys. So out of all the dividends and ETFs, they put from the $100, they put $94.73 into 64 buys. Okay, that means they put that money into 64 different companies I have in my portfolio. Okay, plus they put a little bit more here, 221 right here, and right here you see $1 and $1 and $1.07. I don't know how really this works. I don't know if they maybe look for a certain point to get in, or depending the stock they have, that's when they make the purchase or something. But as you can see, this is all from the same $100 deposit they have here that they did their purchases. Okay, and these are more dividends on this portfolio here. I made $1.84. Now this is a new portfolio. Like I said, this is not really heavy in dividends only. I have a couple of more ETFs here, like this one, Vanguard Dividend ETF. Okay, so I got also Boeing here in this one. I got Walmart again. I got Amazon in this one right here. I got Neo in this one. Plantier. So you see, I got different companies, Airbnb, I got General Electric. So I picked general different companies that I know they pretty good companies. You know, it's gonna be real hard for them to drop down to zero. Restaurant brands. These are the owners of like Popeyes, Kentucky, not Kentucky. I'm sorry, Burger King. So you know that's not really going nowhere. People always eating. I got extra space storage. You know that ain't going nowhere neither. And I got public storage because people are always gonna need storage units for parking or to put stuff away. Some people put their toys in there, like jet skis, motorcycles. You know, when they can't have it in the house or they don't have room in the house, they put in the storage units, and that's monthly income right there with little to no expense. I got McDonald's, Union Pacific. You see, I try to make a mix here of different industries with different companies. I have a little bit of everything. Right here, I got Pepsi again, and I got Coca-Cola. Yeah, I got Alibaba from China. Rio Tinto is a mine. I got Bank of America. I got Next Era Energy. Campbell's Soup. I got Chevron. All you see, I got different types of industries. I got Home Depot. I got General Mills, which is food. Philip Morris. Kellogg's. Exxon Mobil also. TJ Maxx is right here also. So you see, I got different types of companies, including Landstar, which is transportation. I currently work for Landstar as an owner-operator. That's why I also have them there. See if I get maybe some of the money I get back from what basically I pay them to, you know, to have their name on the side of my truck. I got Southwest here. I got Microsoft here. I got Apple also. They growth companies, real good. Growth company, Electronic Arts. Okay, guys. These are just some of the companies. They're very good companies, these. I got, this is a brand new, basically a new portfolio. Like I said, this was from December. So what, December, we're in month, what, 5 right now. So what, 6 months old maybe, something like that, going to 6 months old. Okay, guys. It currently has a cash balance of $24.64. Sooner or later, they might put that into other stocks, okay, buying other stocks. So I just let it be. Like I said, M1 Finance, you know, I just deposit the money and they're in control. Now I have this one here that says dividend portfolio high. This is a high risk portfolio. This is just a last minute portfolio I did back in November 25th, 2020. It's currently up $1,107.66. I'm up $141. Which is 24%, which is pretty good because it's also a new portfolio, this one here. Okay, now these have catched up basically to my morning portfolio because that was my goal. You know, I try to deposit as much as possible in this one and the 83 stock one to catch up to my main portfolio because I want to take all three of them nice and even. So this is another one here. This is the activity once again. With the dividends, the morning trades, they did 21 morning trades. I made a deposit of $50 in this one on May 20th. And on the 83 stock one, I made a deposit of $100 on that one over there. So they just bought 21 buys. Okay, like once again, I got Shark Communications in this ones. I got LTC Properties. I got SBR. I got Global Water Resources, Stone Land. Good Gladstone. These are the ones also in my main portfolio. I got more Armor Residential REIT. I got a REIT in here. I got Realty Income. I got Stag Industries, Pampeia Pipelines. I got Main Street Capitals. I got Broadmark Reality. I try to get as many companies that pay dividends in this account as possible. That's why I put high risk. Let's see the holdings here. Okay, I got some ETFs, but only ETFs. This is the only one that doesn't pay dividend, but it's not a dividend ETF. Okay, this is total stock market from Vanguard. Okay, I got here Vanguard high dividend. I got the Charles Schwab, but once again the dividend ETF. I think I got one more somewhere around here maybe. I'm not 100% sure. But anyway, I got right here again Pepsico. I got Coca-Cola. I think those companies aren't really going nowhere because they always innovating, and there's always somebody's gonna drink Coca-Cola. Because I think I'm a Coca-Cola guy, and I think like pizza goes with soda. Okay, fried chicken goes with soda. Chinese food I think goes with soda. You know, those are products for me that with water they don't really mix. That's me personally, okay, guys? And some people, well, they don't like the Coca-Cola flavor, the taste, so they drink Pepsi. So I got Pepsi really because of the Frito-Lay chips. You know, everybody likes potato chips, you know, so they sell a lot of those Lay's brand potato chips. So that's why I got them, so I know they're not going to go really nowhere. I got JP Morgan Chase, who's one of the biggest banks. I got Bank of America here. I got Nike here. I got Apple Hospitality REIT here. I got Tesla also here again. I got Disney here. I got iShares. Here goes. This is the other one. iShares Core High Dividend. And that's the review of this one. This is my dividend high portfolio. And this one paid me $3.12 overall with all the dividends that I got this month. Okay. So this one was the most that paid me. The main account paid me $2.99. The 83 stock account with the 4 ETFs paid me $1.84. And this high risk portfolio paid me $3.12, which was a total of $7.95 I made overall just this month of May off of M1 Finance. Okay, this is just money I just put in there. I don't touch it. I let them do whatever they got to do with it. Okay, so I really recommend M1 Finance, especially for somebody starting the stock market. I wish I should have known about M1 Finance when I first started investing, because obviously I should have had a lot more money here. I should have not put that much money into Robinhood. I put a lot of money into Robinhood. I'm currently down in Robinhood almost like $3,500. Okay, I'm trying to make the money back. I don't have a lot invested in Robinhood neither. It's not like I invested like $30,000 and I'm down $3,000. No, I have a total invested in Robinhood like $6,800. That's it. And out of $6,800, I'm losing almost $3,500. So imagine how bad I'm doing. I'm losing almost 50% of my money in Robinhood. That's why I wish I knew about M1 Finance first, because I should have put more money into M1 Finance, especially when the market was real low back in March last year. Okay, guys. I got one more account here, which is this one. I just set this one up for my daughter. Just right now in May 20th, I put $100 in, and it's already up $1.27. It says plus 132. This is for my daughter only, really. So let's see what holdings I got for my daughter here. If you guys are interested, I got pretty much a lot of ETFs and large companies, for growth companies. Okay, guys. Right here I got BlackRock. I got Vanguard Dividend. I got Vanguard High Dividend. I got 2 Vanguard Dividend ETFs. I got Charles Schwab US Dividend, iShares Core High Dividend. I got Tesla, Disney, Microsoft. I got Pepsi one more time. I got Amazon, Apple, Neo, Airbnb. I got Reality Income to get that nice dividend monthly here. I got JP Morgan Chase once again. I got Coinbase also. I got this other one. This was a new one. I just added it. Not too far ago. Okay, I don't even think they've purchased any of it yet. Oh, well, actually they did already. Okay, I got $4 invested in this one already. You see. Let me go back to that for you guys to see. That doesn't really take much. You see, right now my portfolio is a value of $4.03. Okay, so the average price is $41.12. The cost base is $3.98. The value is $4.03. So basically, I purchased it, or I just purchased a fraction right here. You see, I don't have one share. I have 0.09679 of a share. Okay, so I only have $3.98 worth of a share here, which is the average cost is $41.12. And I'm currently up 0.5 cents. That's all I'm up with the amount of money I deposited. Okay. So if I should have had one whole share, I should have been up more, which is 1.26%. I should have been up a little bit more than just what's this? The 5 cents I'm up currently. Okay, guys. So that's how that's how fractional shares work. Okay, they do not buy one whole share. They just put a little bit money here, and you make another deposit. They'll put in another maybe $3, $4, $2, depending how much you deposit. Okay, guys. Let's go back down here. Okay, I got JD.com, is a Chinese company. Also, oh, these are the new ones. You see, it's 0%. I just picked this one and they haven't deposited anything on this one. I have 4 of them that should, I think that's like this. Because these are the last minute picks I did, but I haven't deposited more money. So they haven't purchased none for me. If I'm not mistaken, let me see. Well, actually, yeah, I got $4. Thing is, I'm still breaking even on this one. Yeah, so I own some fraction of the shares of that one. So I guess I currently own some fractions of the shares of all of them. I thought I had some that they didn't make they didn't purchase them because I didn't deposit more money. Because after my initial $100 purchase, I did some modifications on my daughter's account here. I put some more. I put different stocks in it and ETFs. I added more ETFs. Okay, I got Walgreens here. Like I got Pfizer and Johnson & Johnson. I think these are 3 companies that aren't going nowhere long term. They're currently all 3 down, but they also pay dividends. And if I'm not mistaken, dividends should be coming in next month. Okay, with these companies, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so this is my daughter's account. I'm gonna try to keep adding money into it as much as possible, as much as I can, because this is for her. This is I'm getting her set up with at least to have something the day something happens to me or something like that. Well, she has a little fund there that she could use for whatever she wants. Okay. So this was my overview of my M1 Finance, guys. Please leave me some comments if you guys enjoyed this this type of videos. Okay, if you guys like to see my M1 Finance account. Okay, I really highly recommend M1 Finance, even though I'm not a financial advisor. I'm gonna put my link to M1 Finance at the bottom in the at the bottom of the video. If you guys don't have M1 Finance and would like to get it like that, you guys could find it easier. I'm not sure maybe if they give us maybe a bonus or not. I really do not know. And if they do, I'll write it down there with the link. I'll let you guys know what type of bonus, if I get a bonus or maybe you guys get a bonus or something. I'm not sure. Okay, guys? I appreciate your time. Once again, this is Marcos in Financial Freedom Investing in Stocks. And this was my M1 Finance Portfolio Overview, guys. I appreciate the time. Have a nice weekend, guys.